What's up, guys? It's your favorite music producer and creative entrepreneur Riccobeatz, aka Mr. 808, and today I welcome you back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, kindly hit subscribe and remember to hit the notification bell so that you can get notified when we drop a new video. Now today, the main purpose of this video is simply to inform you about this new music creator app that is called Music Creator AI. So if you're a creative or a creator or a musician and you'd like to use AI either as an assistant or a generator for your sounds and instrumentals, then this app is for you. It's been a while since I dropped a new video, and it's been because I was looking for content ideas and strategies here and there, but from now onwards I promise you, you're gonna get bangers video after video. So remember to hit subscribe. Let's dive straight into the app. So we are going to start by looking at the feature for the AI instrumental generator. Let's start with this one, instrumental generator. Okay, so you give it a prompt. Let's say we are looking for a hard hip hop rap beat with cinematic pianos. The beat should express the mood of victory. Okay, let's see if it's gonna give us something that makes sense. Click generate music. Music generation started successfully. Give it some time to do its job. Okay, it has generated 2 samples. Let's check them out. Just hit play. Okay, that's so crazy. So that beat has been made by AI. Can you guys believe that? Like, it took just less than 2 minutes. I just fed it a prompt that I was looking for a hard hip hop rap beat with cinematic pianos, and it generated that. Producers, put in the work, lock in, work on your craft, because clearly you can see that AI didn't come to play. That is the first feature. The second feature, let's look at the AI stem splitter. Okay, so for producers and creators who love to do things like remixes, now this is for you, the stem splitter. Where is it? AI stem splitter. It's right here. Okay, let's get some music from my PC. Let's say like this one is a song that I produced for one of my artists, Julie. Okay, let's try with the MP3 even. MP3. Give it some time. Okay, separate the stems. It's working in progress. It's working. Vocal separation started successfully, so we give it some time. Now the stems have been generated. It has taken approximately 1 to 2 minutes to do that, and you can view them over here. Click there and you see the drums. You have them separately. You have the bass, you have the effects, and you have the vocals. That's a very good feature. Then you can actually download all your stems, as you can see here. You can solo the stem for the bass. can solo the drums, you can solo the vocals.
Just know I got good intentions.
Yeah, that's it. So we can move to the third feature, which is the AI vocal remover. So as it's called, the vocal remover, that is the sole function of it. So we go here, we click the vocal remover, we upload the music that we want to extract the vocals from. So here we're going to use let's use this one. So the song is called Tonight. You can check it out. Okay, now we want to extract the vocals, so we click separate stems. And here we go. We have the vocals separated, so you can view the stems and you can solo this is the instrumental and these are the vocals. You can just solo it. Yeah, that's it. So that is the vocal remover feature. Now we go to AI mastering. AI music mastering is here. Let's see how that function works. So we are going to upload the song that we would like to get mastered. So I have a mix. Let me get my mixes. Let's say I'll use a mix from one of my artists. No, let's get a beat. And then we check out the mix of the beat. Let me play it.
Riccobeatz, Mr. 808.
Let's get the beat mix mastered by simply clicking the master your track now. Okay, you need to select a reference. Maybe we can get a reference from still my PC. I can have a reference as one of the beats that I have mastered before. Let's say this flip-flop, that will be our reference. So you just upload your reference there, and then now you master your track. So the track will be mastered according to the master of the reference track. So that's what is happening right now. You give it some time. Let's see how it's gonna sound. So now you can check out the mastered track.
Riccobeatz, Mr. 808.
Sounds good. I mean, you can compare the master and the mix. This is the master. You can hear the difference in the loudness, right? So that is the AI music mastering feature. Very interesting, very powerful, as you have heard. Let's move on to the next feature, which is the AI key and BPM finder. So let's see how we can get the key and BPM of a song without having to open our music production DAW, you know. Key and BPM finder, it's right here. So we upload the music that we want to get the key and BPM for. We can use this one for Julie. Now, okay, we can use the MP3. We just drag it there. So let's see. It's doing the job. It's doing the work. It's looking for the key, BPM, energy, and all this. This is so great. Okay, the key is C minor. That is very right, because I can't remember the key that I produced the beat in. The BPM is 94. I think it's 94 from the project file. Yeah. Then it's gonna give us even the energy, danceability, happiness. This is a very great tool, guys. As you can see, music producers, creators, musicians, all of you need to jump on the musiccreator.ai. It's a game changer, as you guys can see by yourselves, right? So anyway, we have the most important things that we are looking for, which is the key and the BPM. The energy, danceability, and the happiness are still loading. I wonder what they are, but I'd like to see what they are really. But because of time, we just have to move to the next feature, which is the AI song cover generator. Oh, okay, here we have the energy is 99. Okay, danceability 41, happiness 71. Okay, wow. That's some good insights. If you want to know some deep details like energy, danceability, and happiness, then you just load the song on your music creator AI and it gives you that. So the next feature that we are going to look at is the AI song cover generator. Let's look for that. AI song cover generator. Song cover generator. Let's see what it entails. Okay, so what this feature means is that you can upload a song and then AI is gonna make a cover for the song. You get it? So you upload a song and then AI will do a cover of it. So you can upload the music. Okay, that's actually my song. I want to hear how the AI will do a cover of it. So we are going to select generate cover. Let's see. Okay, we can select the voice that you want.
Hiding from the rain and snow, trying to forget.
No, let's check this one. Yeah, so use the voice and then generate the cover. Let's see. I'm wondering how it would sound.
Tell you something, tell you something.
Okay, wait guys, let me play for you the original song by me, of course. And now let me play for you the AI cover. Okay, that's funny, but I like the feature anyway. So that's a very, very, very nice feature. Now let's move on to the next feature, which is the AI audio to MIDI converter. So we are going to upload our audio file and then we try converting it to a MIDI file. So audio to MIDI, yeah. So let's upload our file. Let it be a beat. Let's take a beat called Mission, okay. So now the MIDI file has been generated. You can either edit it in the MIDI editor or even download it as a MIDI file. So let's go to edit it in MIDI editor. It has analyzed the MIDI file of my beat, and the beat has melodies, drums, bass, and all that. Yeah, so basically if you have like a melody WAV file or even just a single melody of an instrument, then you can easily get the MIDI file and manipulate it to your own style. Other than that, there are more other features that I'd like to show you guys here. There's a karaoke maker, there's an a cappella extractor, chord generator, lo-fi music generator, AI melody generator, MP3 tag editor online. I mean, there's a whole lot of features that we haven't even explored due to time. But I'd really recommend you guys to get the app so that you can get to explore all these other features. It's a very interesting app, very useful for creatives, creators, musicians, producers, beat makers, mix and master engineers, vocalists, background music vocalists, all that. So get the app, guys. You're gonna love it.